Hey guys, very brief video. I just want to talk about the importance of staying stocked up with fruit. I went out to Immokalee yesterday and I actually filmed it, but somehow I cannot locate the film on my computer, the video footage. So I just want to do a quick video and show you what I picked up. Okay, as usual, oranges were a main priority and watermelons. So I got two really big seeded watermelons. So I'm really happy I stocked up on oranges and I got those two big watermelons. Okay, I picked up some bananas. At Aldi, actually. I picked those up on the way back from Immokalee. In Immokalee, I picked up some lemons and limes because I love to make my limeade, my lemonade. I picked up some of these mangoes, the yellow ones here. I got these in Immokalee. These are champagne mangoes, Atalfo mangoes from Mexico. I have a tree in the backyard and they're not ripe yet. So actually these two are Atalfos that fell off my tree and they'll ripen up and be good. Here's a third one. So, and I picked up a couple of pineapples. Normally when I get pineapples, I like them to be golden, you know, that golden brownish color. I got these, we'll see what happens. See if they turn a little bit and, you know, we'll see how sweet they are, because in my mind, a pineapple needs some color for it to be sweet. And I don't know if these are going to turn, but we'll see. So the other thing is that I got some nice organic peaches the other day. The peaches are starting to come in from Georgia. And these were really good. I finished them off today, actually. But I got those at Sprouts, and I'm going to go back and get more of those. But, you know, bananas are always the staple. I also use frozen fruit for smoothies and different things. And the frozen fruit, remember, you can just thaw that out and eat it. You know, it's the next best thing to having fresh. And if you've got organic, you're going to be in good shape. So please give this video a like, a thumbs up, and remember, stock up so you can fruit up. Have a good one. Take care. All the best.